Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a protective case for your television, and it's been inspired by the music industry. So before we take a look at the protective case for your television, what I thought I'd do is quickly explain why I bought one really. And the simple fact is, I had to upgrade to a 32-inch TV because basically a 24-inch was too small, and even with my glasses and seeing the optician, I'm still struggling a little bit to see it. It was a little bit out of focus. So what we did was we went to Curry's and we picked up a 32-inch. This is a lightweight one. It's not a 12-volt one. Didn't want one, won't use one. We never go off grid. So it's just a standard TV. And it's, like I said, it's very lightweight, so much so it's being supported on the wall now and it's not straining. So let's take a look at, in closer detail, this protective bag. So here is the Gator case. This is made for professional musicians and road crews, and you can also purchase cases for instruments as well. Now, what I like about it straight away is the fact that it's very well constructed. It's made of a very durable nylon, and also it has this front pocket, which I think is great because what I can do, for me personally, it's padded as well. I can fit my Blu-ray player in here, and we can transport that at the same time. There's a nice rugged nylon zip. Now on the top here we have carrying handles, which have the Velcro system so that they can be fitted together and you can carry it quite simply like so. Now also it comes with a strap which attaches to here and also on this side as well, so you can carry it over your shoulder. Now the one thing I do like about this is the fact that it's got two individual zips, it's not just one. Now if we undo the zips like so and undo the Velcro underneath, we can take a look inside. So there we have it inside. Now what I like about it, it's got this very soft material which will prevent the screen from scratching, and also it's got about a 40mm thick pad on this side and also on this side as well. Now the other feature that I do like is you can actually zip this up like so, and you can actually fit your TV inside without fully opening it like that. It weighs just over 1 kilo, this bag, which you might think seems a lot, but personally we transport this in the car rather than we do in the actual Caravan. Now another thing, this is for 32-inch, and you can get them for 24-inch, and you can get them for even 55-inch TVs as well, but I'm sure not many people transport 55-inch TVs when they're away in the Caravan. In fact, some people probably don't even use the 32 like I have to, but I've explained why. Now, with this, it will cost you approximately £60 to £70, depending on where you go. The best price I found was around £65, and that was on Amazon. I'll leave links as I'll explain later. But for me, I think it's a really good product. It's very well made and it's very robust, and it will protect your TV when you're on your travels. Well everyone, that was the Gator protection case for your television. Now as I said in the video, they come in 24-inch to suit 24-inch TVs, 32, and they even do them up to 55, but that's mainly for music industry themselves. They use them in computerized music setups, and they're touted around when they're doing lighting rigs as well, because it's mainly computerized. But I thought it was a great idea, and it offers a lot more protections than some of the ones that are available on the market, and they're about the same price, which I think is pretty impressive. I will leave a link to this bag and links to the smaller ones and the bigger ones below. They are Amazon affiliated links. You don't have to buy it from Amazon, but that's where I found it, and I found it at the best price. Well, thank you very much for joining us. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.